Hello there everybody and welcome into this lecture in which I'm going to show you how you as a food blogger, you can find topics to talk about for what's trending. So you could say over here, what is trending? What is trending in the food blogging industry in the USA for this week? And here it's going to tell us what's trending. And us as food bloggers, we could particularly have great ideas about what we can blog about instead of going to places like BuzzSumo to find out what's trending. Vegan and vegetarian food. Okay, there is plenty of stuff. So I'm going to say here, I want you to give me what the most popular YouTubers have posted about vegan and vegetarian food this week in the US. So it's going to go ahead and tell me the famous YouTubers that have discussed the topic that is trending according to Google Bard. And I could use that. So here it's talking about Wikitubia. Now they talked about it. Then the Happy Peer, they also talked about it. Now it's not telling me, it's not giving me their YouTube channels, but it's telling me here that these guys have blogged about that, right? And YouTuber video. So Cheap Lazy Vegan, that's pretty funny. So here is basically giving you all you need. Now you could say, I want to blog about the topic this week. So give me 7 titles for 7 blogs, which means that you're going to write a blog every day for this particular topic for a week, since it's trending. All right, so the best vegan vegetarian recipes for a healthy and delicious week, 10-minute vegan soups, a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of vegetables, vegan pad thai, vegan tacos, cheap lazy vegan, the truth about veganism, crazy, it's turned into a religion or what? Or am I not in the picture here? Reasons to go vegan. Okay, so here it's basically giving you everything that you need. And the good thing is that you can do everything here. You can say, write the blog for me, right? Write a blog about the first title, right? Or you can just copy paste it, right? An SEO blog about the first topic. Boom. And it's going to go ahead as usual, and it's going to write a blog post about the first title without you having to do anything by yourself. The best vegan and vegetarian recipes. Now let me take this and put it to the test. I'm quite curious if Writer.com and their tool, which brags about being able to detect AI content, is going to be able to detect this as AI generated content. Let's see how good AI has gotten. Because I believe there's going to be a time not so far from now where artificial intelligence is going to bypass all of these tools that can detect artificial intelligence content. Remember that you don't have to copy the entire blog, right? So here, it has not only given us the blog, but also it gave us images that we can use as well. Ideas for images. I can go now to writer.com or just write AI content detector. And let's see if we can bypass that. Now this is just for GPT-4 content. And we're actually using Google Bard, but let's just put it to the test. 10% human generated. Okay. So now it basically picked up this. It told us that this is just 10% generated. So in this case, it has picked up on that. But what if I take the following and just copy paste it on ChatGPT and have ChatGPT write that blog post for me? What is going to happen then? Because I'm pretty sure that I'm pretty sure that what's going to happen is it's not going to be able to detect it. There's no chance in hell. Or let's just try and see, because I've tried this before, and ChatGPT, the combination of Bard and ChatGPT actually can bypass the content or basically the content detector. So here it has basically given us this. I'm not going to take the entire content. I'm just going to take parts of it. Go back over here, refresh the page. Let's run this through the test. Let's go. Now, of course, I can't use more characters. Let me just remove some and some more. All right, now I can. Let's analyze this text and see. So my theory works. Okay, so my theory works, and I'm ready to scream about this from the highest mountain on the world. 99% human generated content. When I combined Google Bard with ChatGPT, this tool cannot understand this. It's beyond its reach, at least as of now. Maybe I woke them up if they watch this lecture. But without further ado, I'll see you in the next lecture. We're actually going to go ahead and I'll show you how you can handle customer support as a marketer. By taking my example as a course creator, of course, I always receive messages from my students about certain things. What should I do? I bought the hosting for the website, but I have this problem. What should I do? I want to build a sales funnel like this. So all these questions can be answered using Google Bard. And not just that, you can handle customer review, customer feedback, and customer support of all kinds of all natures. Whether you're selling on Amazon or you're selling courses or whatever you're doing, you can outsource customer support to Google Bard so that it can answer the questions of your students for you. And so, or in your case, instead of students, it should be your clients. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next lecture. Stay tuned.